happy Hanukkah to you, and today I wanted to talk to you about the Molly Yeh Food Network Hanukkah special. I wanted to talk to you about what's missing from that Hanukkah special. It's this. I decided to channel all of that sadness into sharing with you what I would have cooked if I had been on the Food Network Hanukkah special. Tonight is Hanukkah date night with my husband. The whole philosophy of my Hanukkah menu tonight, especially Hanukkah date night, sometimes Hanukkah becomes overwhelming when you think about cooking latkes for so many people, or like everyone in the family. So tonight I am really focusing more upscale energy on two special foods. I am doing latkes and I am doing Sufganiyot, or fried jelly donuts. And those are the two traditional Hanukkah dishes that are fried in oil. They're a lot of effort, and really they're so delicious that you don't need anything else. Here's what's on the menu. We are having 2-bite latkes with sour cream and homemade applesauce. Individual salads, Bibb lettuce leaves, citrus supremes. I use navel orange and oro blanco grapefruit, but you can use any citrus that you like. Next course is dessert, Sufganiyot, or jelly donuts, dusted in powdered sugar, filled with crab apple jelly from our crab apple tree, crimson gold apples that I roasted in the oven, sparkling apple cider sorbet, and Creme Fraiche ice cream. So we have side-by-side dishes. We are gonna bring in the latkes. I have sour cream and I did homemade applesauce. There's nothing in here except for a squeeze of half a lemon and a bunch of peeled apples. It was super quick. We are going to have champagne. I went to Costco and drowned my sorrows. We're gonna be really festive and just enjoy ourselves this Hanukkah. What does one do on a Hanukkah date night? Well, we are gonna eat all the latkes we want. No one else is competing for them. We have more than enough. We are gonna play board games, and no children are going to interfere with us. We're going to listen to music, Bare Naked Ladies Hanukkah songs, Matis Yahoo. Tonight we're probably just going to listen to Madonna and watch some Mrs. Maisel later. We are going to get to eating because I think our latkes are ready. They will knock the socks off of your loved ones. Strikes you, I encourage you to just double down on latkes with someone that you love. This really simple menu is really all that you need. We think that Don't Break the Ice is a pretty awesome game, even if you're not 3 years old. And latkes are fine for dinner. There's fat, carbs, protein in the sour cream. Let me know if you like this video by giving it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Hanukkah content, as well as kosher style lunchboxes year round. I hope you have a wonderful Hanukkah. I hope you have delicious crispy latkes, and don't forget to look down below in the description box. I'll have all of these recipes that I made tonight. Take care and Chag Sameach.